Let's see how we can check if our PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. First, press Windows R and then type msinfo32. Click on OK and this dialog will pop up. Here you can see a bunch of options, and to check if your PC is 32 or 64-bit, you will see the system type. Here x64 means that your PC is 64-bit, but if you see something like x86, that means that your PC is 32-bit. You will not see 32-bit here, that is, you will not see x32, but x86 in case your PC is 32-bit. So this is a bunch of options here. You can see RAM and all that stuff here. But if you want to see whether your computer supports 64-bit and your OS is also 64-bit, to do that, just press Windows and you'll see settings. If you don't see this, just type settings and click on settings, and settings will open up. Here click on system, scroll down. Here you will see about, and now you can see everything here. So the system type is 64-bit operating system, and our processor is also 64-based processor. So if your processor is 64 based, you can install 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems. But if your processor is 32-bit, you can only install 32-bit operating system. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.